How to save Instagram voice messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to save Instagram voice messages. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And after that, in order to save the Instagram voice messages, all you have to do is just simply open the messenger section from the top right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just open the chat where you have sent the voice messages to the person. So for example, I want to download this particular voice message that I have sent to this particular friend of mine, and so in order to download it, so as soon as you long press on this particular message, you can't see any option which says download this particular audio. But I have a way through which you can download this particular audio right here. So all you have to do is just simply start your screen recording in the phone. So I have the screen recording option over here, and start the screen recording for this particular screen and play this particular audio. And as soon as this audio gets finished, just stop that screen recording, and after that just open the screen recording in the files of your mobile. And as you can see that this recording is over here right now that I have recorded. So I will play this so that you can see also. So I have recorded this particular audio in a video format. So in order to extract the audio from this particular video for the audio that we want to save, all you have to do is just simply long press on this particular video file right here, and after that just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the bottom right corner of the screen and click on rename. And now as you can see that this file format has been in MP4 format, and now you just simply have to edit the file name and just change it to MP3 and click on OK. And as soon as you change this particular file, this file will disappear from your video section, and now you have to come back and click on the audio section and just click on the first audio right here, and your audio will be saved for the video that you have just downloaded. So this is basically how you will be able to save Instagram voice messages. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.